this. Workers at Wall Street's biggest banks are now bracing for pay cuts this year. Let's bring in our good friend Art Laffer. Art, nearly 72% of these workers said they would consider quitting if their yearly bonuses are cut. How do you respond to that?
Well, I don't know, but I think they're anticipating getting fired as well, maybe. And if they're anticipating quitting, just tell me where they're going to go and work and get those bonuses. Their pay is very, very high. This has been a very bad year for investment bankers. Profits are way down. Deals are way, way down. Of course, their bonuses should be lower and should be substantially lower as part of the overall process. And if they're threatening quitting, I think they should tell their bosses that and see what the bosses say.
Probably. Hey, go ahead. Okay, I want to get to this issue.
Right now.
The Fed. Yeah. Go ahead.
No, I just said the bosses probably would welcome a few quittings.
He probably would. Save some money. Quickly to this, Art. What do you expect from the Fed next year? Maybe another 50 basis point hike in February and March. But, what are you anticipating?
Well, I anticipate the headline inflation number and the consumer price index to decline for the next 4, 5, or 6 months because 12 months ago and on, the numbers were very, very large. So when they drop off the headline number, you're going to see that number coming down. And if there isn't a substantial increase in the monthly numbers, and I don't know whether there will be or not in those monthly numbers, but if you don't, I would expect the Fed to ease up on interest rate increases substantially. Now, that does not mean, Ashley, that inflation is a thing of the past. It really doesn't. These numbers are highly volatile. They come in waves, and that could easily return. If that were the case, I think it would be really very terrible. And I just wish the Fed would not try to control interest rates. Price controls never work. Just let interest rates seek their own level, Ashley, and then have the discount rate follow it, not lead it.
You know what? You look younger every year. You're the Benjamin Button of economists, Art Laffer. Thank you so much.
Well, we need you back here in Nashville, Ashley. We need you back here. You're the best representative Nashville has in the world. Thank you.
You are so kind, Art Laffer.
You
read that just as I wrote it. Happy New Year to you, Art Laffer. Thank you very much.